Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. As you know that today is my 8th lecture. In my previous lecture, lecture number 7, I've been told you about what happened in summer house and what Razendal played a role to meet Lady Baban and what discussion has gone. And briefly I've been told you how Razendal saved his life with the help of Seb and for how Lady Baban helped Razendal. All things I have mentioned. In my 8th lecture I will tell you what rumors, what news is spreading in whole Ruritania in Israel especially. The news is that the prefect of police, he has told that there is a popular discontent. The people are very much upset. Why people are very much upset? Why people are so much worried? One thing you know, my dear student, I will tell you that the people like to see a bond of marriage between the king and Princess Flavia. It's a passion of the people. They want to see such a marriage ceremony between the king and the Flavia. It's a dream of the people of Ruritania. But unluckily, the people have seen that the king is avoiding, neglecting Princess Flavia. Now the people want, if the king keeps distance from Flavia, then they want to see a marriage ceremony, Flavia and public favor. This is public favor. I want to say that there's a public favor. There's a demand by the people of Ruritania. If the king is avoiding to Flavia, now they want to see a marriage ceremony with Black Piper. This news is spreading in whole Ruritania. When the Sept and Frizz, they have called a ball ceremony. Dear student, do you know what's mean of ball ceremony? Ball ceremony, this first time exists in British, in 18th century. A novel was Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. It started from 18th century. Ball ceremony means some people belongs to royal family or some belongs to military high officers, and all the daughters from all the areas of London, they come and join in a dancing ceremony, a gathered dancing ceremony where the people show their choice. And one person who got defeated in dancing, now if lady has got defeated in dancing, the male has right to select or not. If lady is good in dancing and the male is not, the lady has a choice in ball. She will select her boyfriend as a husband or not. So in this way the ball ceremony, Sept is called the ball ceremony. All people come. Now dear now, the role of Razendal and Flavia. I will tell you, my dear student. Sept said to Razendal, please, you have to show your love with Flavia, because this is a demand of the people. You will not make a distance from Flavia. You will dance and enjoy whole as a lover, as a true friend, and you show your emotions very positively. So now the Razendal and Flavia has shown such a true love. But as I tell you, Razendal and discontent. Why Razendal was showing a discontent? Because he is really a nice person. He is very sincere and devoted. When he knew himself that I am not a real king, I am a fake king. My dear student, now I tell you, this really is such an obedient person. Ruritania has got an obedient person, beautiful person. He said, no, I will not show any step to deceive Flavia. So he becomes so much ready that I will tell to Flavia that I am not a real king. When Sept, the role of Sept, I will tell you Sept Razendal. When Sept says, what are you doing now? Why you are showing that you are not a real king? Please, for sake of King Rodolphe Helberg, if you tell that you are not a real king, Michael will get the favor of the people. It would risk of life of real king. So you don't do something. So my dear student, it was a sept who prohibit to resemble. You don't do like this. If you carry such a step to show that you are a fake, so it should be very disturbance. You should suffer your life, and the king should suffer. It all chances turning towards Michael. So my dear student, I tell you, in my many lecture, I've been told you that Michael is such a heinous villainous. He is not a good person. He is a villain, and he has no interest in any person of Ruritania. If he wants to get married Flavia, just because of his own interest. So Michael is a criminal and villainous person. Now when Sept prohibit to Resendal that you don't do, then Mr. Resendal says, okay, I will do what you say. He shows obligation. So he says, yes, I will do what you say. I shows my obligation, I oblige. First we have to say our real king, he is already captured in the hands of Michael and his personal bodyguard. And then he shows his duty much more than others. He says, okay, I don't show my emotion. I don't show any type of wrong act which hurdle, which give such a suffering aspect, such a losing aspect, such a damaging to real king. He approved himself as a dutiful king. And now in this condition, when I am telling you the popular discontent or the popular favor that the people want to see a marriage ceremony between Michael and Princess Flavia, this all was happening. In this way, Mr. Resendal said, now I will say to my king. So he said, and soon, very soon, we have to see Strelsa, and we have to find here and there all the areas of Strelsa, and we will find our king where he is captured. Yeah, it's a certain, my dear student, it's a certain that the real king is kept kidnapped by Michael's personal bodyguard. Where they have resided, where he is captured, they will find the location. So now he approved. He shows a confirmed attitude that I will shows my obligation, my duties, and I will save my real king. So now it has become very clear. Now, dear student, as my later popular discontent, as I told you, in any country, it's a phenomenon. No news should be disclosed. What happening in any country, it should be disclosed by the people from one mouth to another mouth. The same situation happened in police are told public favor to get them married. They want to see a marriage ceremony of Michael and Flavia. Why? Because Resendal was not happy at all, because he was a very man of conscience. He said, I will never deceive to Flavia because I am not real king. If she loves me, she gave me her cousin. So I am not. But he was bound in love. He was very true lover to Flavia. He became uncontrolled because of his love, his deep love, a deep passion of love, deep sentiments, his majestic power with Flavia. So he said, I am in mood to disclose that I am not a real king. But it was a great role by Sept. When he listened to the news, you should know, he called the ball ceremony, the public gathering of the people. They all became towns, and it was precautious to Resendal. Never ever shows you are discontent with Flavia, because all are looking at you. Every eye is watching you. How you play a role, how you dance with Flavia, how you show your emotions. All should be smiling, good behavior, as a jolly mood. So gentlemen, it was Resendal who shows a jolly mood, happy mood, and he never shows a discontent. So Flavia becomes so much happy. Now, my dear student, when Sept says, if you shows your discontent, the people will get the favor, and there's only Michael, he will get the married to Flavia. And our king is already suffered and captured in the hands of Michael, and he will be a king of Ruritania. He made a promise that I will show my duty. I will show my duty, and I will save my king. It's my duty to come here as I become crowned king. Now I will save my king. He made a promise. So Sept, we have to leave Strelsa and we will find out here and there in many places where our king is captured in the hands of Michael. So it was a fact when Sept told to Rosendal, please, for the sake of king and his life, for the sake of Princess Flavia, you do something. You just give a favor to save our king from the clutches hand of Michael. So gentlemen, I tell you, so Rosendal make a promise that I shows my duties as a responsible person, and certainly I will save my king from the clutches hand of Michael. And he become very certain that the day will come that we will save our king. So in this lecture I will tell you, now the Rosendal become a dutiful person, much responsible. He become much awake. He become very much conscious what his duty is telling him, what his obligation, what he has to do in future. He just minimizes his love. He shows a sincere act, a professional act. He shows a professional act. He become really such a real king that now he assigned it. My duty is to save my real king, Rodolphe Albert. So it's my duty to save a real king, and there is no such another work to go ahead. I will do something first to find the king where he is captured, and then I will do something another. If my life is at risk, if I am dying for saving king, I must die. He surrenders his life to save the king. So this is Rosendal, that he was so uncertain that he is not a real king, but he becomes certain, and he conceals his love. He makes secret his love, and now he makes sure that he will save the king. My dear student, inshallah, in my 9th lecture I will tell you what happened next. Thank you. Goodbye.